It's 2025, and today we're turning back the clock to revisit the Sony Xperia XA, model F3111, a mid-range Android smartphone that was first released in mid-2016. Nearly 9 years later, this device stands as a reminder of Sony's elegant mobile design philosophy and its unique place in the Android market. In this video, we take a deep dive into the Xperia XA in 2025, how it performs today, whether it's still usable, and what made it special back when it launched. If you're into retro tech, Sony devices, or Android nostalgia, this one's for you. After nearly a decade, we're testing the Xperia XA to see what kind of experience it offers in 2025. Here's what we explore in the video. With only 2 GB of RAM and a Helio P10 chip, performance is extremely limited by today's standards. Even basic tasks like opening apps, browsing the web, or typing in the keyboard may feel slow or laggy. The phone struggles with anything beyond lightweight use, and modern apps may no longer install due to outdated Android support. The Xperia XA stopped receiving updates after Android 7.0, which is now over 7 years out of date. Most modern apps won't be compatible, and the Google Play Store itself may behave inconsistently. Security is also a major concern, as the device is no longer protected against modern threats. In 2016, the 13-megapixel rear camera and 8-megapixel front camera were decent for the price. In 2025, they're far behind in terms of detail, dynamic range, low-light performance, and video stability. Still, for basic photo taking and a bit of retro charm, the cameras function. Just don't expect miracles. The original 2,300 mAh battery likely has degraded significantly. Unless it's been replaced, you'll likely get only a few hours of usage. Charging is also slower due to the outdated micro USB port. This is where the Xperia XA still shines. The ultra-slim bezels, lightweight body, and premium feel are impressive even today. In an era of oversized phones, the XA's compact 5-inch screen is refreshing and pocket-friendly. It still looks elegant, minimalist, and uniquely Sony. The short answer? Not really, but maybe for fun. The Xperia XA is no longer a practical daily driver due to performance and software limitations, but it still works as a nostalgic device. You could use it as a dedicated music player with a micro SD card and headphone jack, a simple backup phone for calls and SMS, a retro tech collectible, or even a lightweight camera or writing tool in emergencies. Just don't expect modern-day multitasking, fast browsing, or app compatibility. The Sony Xperia XA was never meant to be a flagship, but in its time, it offered solid design, respectable features, and Sony's signature elegance at an affordable price. In 2025, it's a piece of smartphone history, a reminder of simpler Android days, compact phone designs, and the bold design moves Sony took to stand out. If you have one lying around, it's worth charging up, even just to relive the feel of old-school Android. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this trip into Sony mobile nostalgia, like, subscribe, and share your memories in the comments. Did you ever own the Xperia XA? How did it serve you? And is it still alive in 2025?